Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. For the month of March, the eyeshadow palette that we are giving away is the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. I'll take you to that giveaway. I also have a Jeffree Star giveaway. I also have a giveaway in honor of our 700th subscriber going on. That's the Jeffree Star Cosmetics, by the way. I also have a lip monthly giveaway. I have the eyeshadow palette giveaway. I've got probably our 800th subscriber giveaway will go up this week, so I've got tons of them. All you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel in order to win, so make sure to check those out and join us. We're a fun group here. So today we are going to be talking about the Macy's Beauty Box, and I'm going to show you a little bit the inside and give you a little bit of my thoughts. It does ship out every month. It's $15 a month. There's mostly sample and deluxe sizes. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size in there. So let's dive in and see what we've got. How was your weekend? Did you guys have a good one? Mine was pretty good. Watched a little basketball. My son's high school, they were in the state championship tournament, so went and watched them. They lost, but it's okay, they did really good. And then that evening, watched Carol play. Carol is the school that my son's going to go to, is Carol College, and their games are broadcasted on YouTube, so watched one of their basketball games. They're in their tournament. So what about you? Let me know what you guys did. Anything fun, exciting in the comments down below. So everything comes neatly wrapped in tissue paper. There is a card, talks about the products in here. And it just says, a $41 value, makeup must-haves. Meet the essentials you need in your makeup bag now. From mascara to bronzer, that are some of our best-selling goodies you'll love to try. There is a coupon in here for $10 off your next beauty purchase. You have to use it within a month, and you can either use it online or in the store. So the first product in here is from Urban Decay. It is their Vice Lip Chemistry in 21. I've liked a bunch of their Vice lip products before. I don't think I've heard of their lip chemistry. In the world of beauty, it doesn't get any more classic than the red lip. The best part of this high shine formula is how it reacts to your pH to create a shade that's unique to you. It's sure to flatter. Full size retails for $22. Pro tip, feeling subtle, wait a couple minutes after applying the gloss. Wipe away the shiny top layer to leave behind a long wearing tint. Here's what this looks like. Ooh, that is red. It's almost like a blood red, kinda. But I see where you can you can shear it out though. Like if I were to kind of blot that away, it kind of becomes more of a tint. That's what I think. My red lips are great for the winter, but I think going into the spring, I would want something that's more like that color. So pretty. By Tony Moly is their Peach Punch Cleansing Tissues. Not only do these wipes remove eye, face, and lip makeup, they also smell amazing and leave your skin feeling soft. Full size is a 30 count, retails for $7. There are 8 wipes in this one. Pro tip, the Reusable package makes these perfect to take anywhere. Not big on makeup wipes, you guys. They tug at your skin and pull, and nobody needs that. If I'm doing a bunch of swatches on my arms, then I will use wipes for that. Beauty by Popsugar. I didn't know Popsugar even had a brand. Is their Be Racy Liquid Velvet Lip in Berry Nice. For days when you want a matte lip that's actually moisturizing, reach for the satiny formula. It's super pigmented, which means you need one swipe for the coverage you want. Full size retails for $24. Pro tip, use the tip of the applicator to line your lips, accentuate your Cupid's bow, and get those hard to reach corners. Here's what this looks like. I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna save this for one of my upcoming giveaways for you guys. By Lancome is their Monsieur Big Mascara. I think I reviewed this in one of my mascara review videos. I'll put that in the description box down below so you can go check it out. Its long and full lashes are just a swipe away with this Power Matte Mascara that's formulated to last up to 24 hours, aka all night long. Full size retails for $25. Pro tip, for even more drama, keep layering on the mascara for thicker looking lashes. Because I already have this, I'm going to be putting this one in that giveaway for you, upcoming giveaway for you guys too. By Tarte is the Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in Park Avenue Princess. I actually already have this. Get a beachy glow and softer skin in one go with this vitamin-enriched bronzer. The shimmering powder is buildable, so whether you want full glam or something natural, this bronzer is it. Full sizes retail for $30. Pro tip, simplify your makeup routine and use this as an eyeshadow too. It's really pretty. It's almost the color of the packaging, so it's here on this side. And like I said, I already have it, so putting it in the giveaway for you guys. What is going on with the bonus this month? It's usually like either a makeup bag or a makeup tool they're put as their bonuses. And there's never a card on it, so trying to figure it out as you go. So this is a set of 3 reusable makeup remover cloths and an eyelash curler. Are the perfect complement to your skincare and makeup routine. Directions: reusable makeup remover cloths. Use the cloths to be gently wash away eye makeup. To use wet cloths with warm water and then pat with your favorite makeup remover or toner. Don't use a toner as a makeup remover. And machine wash once a week. The eyelash curler, you guys all know how to use an eyelash curler. But I lost my eyelash curler recently and I was thinking that I needed to go get a new one. So this is pretty cool. So here it has a little hook if you want to hook up these, the 3 cloths, cute little colors. But yeah, you couldn't get much more than your eye makeup with the size of them. And then, an eyelash curler. I do like that it has the rubber here. So I'm excited about that. And then we do have 2 perfumes. First one is by Dolce & Gabbana. It is the Dolce Garden Mandarin Coconut Essence and Vanilla Notes that define this must-try feminine scent. A full size of this does retail for $122. And I always make sure that I point it out because I've done it right in my eye once. Not a pleasant experience. I like that. It just reminds me of springtime and kind of a fresh scent. I do like this one. And I have a bunch where I have like a little decorative container where I'll keep these in, and that way when I have guests that come to stay, they can try out the perfumes as well too. by Calvin Klein is the new and exclusive CK for Everyone. Organic orange, neroli, and patchouli are just some of the notes that make this genderless fragrance perfect for anyone. It does retail for $80. It's very gender neutral. I mean, I wouldn't say it's overly feminine. It's not overly masculine, I will say that. It's nice. And when I do get a guy's perfume specifically, I'll save them and then put them in my son's and my husband's stockings come Christmas. So I think it was a pretty good one. I'm excited about the bonus item and the Urban Decay Vice more than anything else. You know, I got products for me, I got products for you. What did you guys think? What was your favorite? If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It means the world to me when you like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. Make sure to click it twice and then select that you want to receive your notifications all the time, and that way you know when we upload again. YouTube will now go ahead and put a couple other videos suggestions for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you soon.